Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So a lot of you guys heard the audio when recording video on the Pixel 3 and you didn't like it. And oftentimes, this is, by the way, the Pixel 3's audio. So I want you to pay attention, close attention to this sound right here, because in this video, I'm going to resolve this for you and me. I guess I should say I'll resolve this for me, because the Pixel cameras are actually fantastic. And taking photos is really good. Video is solid. Stabilization is off the charts. But audio is where it doesn't do so well. So a lot of times people hit the internet and they see something they don't like and they never try to resolve it. So since if you were to purchase this phone and you didn't like the audio, there's something that you can do about it, and I'm going to show you in this video. So first things first is hopefully Google does a fix for this, because a lot of us are thinking that it's because of the water resistance that the microphones sound really tinty. From what my ears can hear, they sound tinty. They sound like you're inside of something. It's kind of weird, hard to put into words, but it doesn't sound like other audio from other devices. So there's something going on. And it's not just this phone. Apparently, you guys are reporting back that everyone who has a Pixel 3 doesn't like the audio. So in this video, I'm going to show you a little trick that I do for some phones where it doesn't have nice audio, and there's ways to enhance it. So this is a quick fix. It's not something that's going to permanently resolve your issue. But what I will tell you is that this is definitely going to improve if you're a person who relies on the Pixel for all of your YouTube channels or just all of your content, and you're going to do a lot of recording. So in this video, let's get into it. I'm going to show you what I did, and maybe you can try it too. It's a very affordable fix, and let me just show you. Alright guys, so still, I have not hooked this up yet, but I wanted to show it to you. I'm doing this entire video with the Pixel 3 so you can get some sense of how this can affect your device. So this is just a simple Type-C stereo or 3D sound adapter. So you basically get audio, and you can do a monitoring as well. It's only like $8. And if you don't know, a lot of phones now can do Type-C through the audio. I did it, if you remember, I did this with my HTC U11, not because it had bad audio, it just was really low. So this is the device right here. So you've got a mic and you've got a headphone jacks for monitoring. So this is a very quick, simple fix. It works with all types of devices, Mac, Windows, Android phones. As you can see there, it works with everything. So this is just a real simple fix. It doesn't need any kind of external power or anything. It's straight plug and play. You get a microphone jack and you get a headphone jack, and it's just that simple. It comes with these little instructions right here to tell you which is which. So if you didn't know, you're going to find out in this video what this can do for your device. So this is very simple. It's very easy to understand. If you're plugging into a computer, it shows you there for Windows, and it gives you all the demonstrations there. And here it is for Mac. And this also works with Android phones, like I said before, as you can see. All right. So it's real simple, quick fix, man. Just simple and to the point. It's a stereo output jack. That's all it is. And again, a lot of people will find things and they don't, try to get a resolution for you. But I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, and I'll show you what it sounds like now. Alright guys, so before you can actually use the external mic, you have to turn it on. By default, it is turned off when you first plug in an external mic. So the first thing you do is you hit video. And then on the left here, as you can see, I've highlighted, it's going to be defaulted to use phone's mic, but you have to turn on use external mic. Be sure to do that quick tip, because I would hate for you to start recording and then you do an entire video and then there's no sound. So be sure to do that, or the sound is not what you want and you think something's wrong. But be sure to do that before you start the recording. That's how you do it. Let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so now I've got the external microphone hooked up, and the sound should sound completely different. No more tinty sound. You've got bass and tone. Everything is there. This is how a lot of phones probably sound. Well, they probably don't sound this good with this external mic, but they definitely don't sound as tinty and flat in some areas as the Pixel 3 without an external mic. So when hooking this up, the green is for mic and the pink is for stereo out. What you want to do is you want to plug your microphone into the stereo out. If you plug it into the mic side, this is a little trick that I had to figure out. But if you plug into the mic side, it's not going to record audio. Why it's like that, I don't know. Maybe the instructions are telling me that's what you're supposed to do, but I didn't read the instructions. I just plugged it into the green one first, and then I realized there was no audio coming out. So now I switched it to the stereo out jack, and boom, the pink one, there it is, man. It's set up, ready to go, and you can record great footage, great video, and get spectacular audio from your Pixel 3. Now, again, this is just a quick fix, man. This is an $8 fix for someone who's going to be using the Pixel 3 or the Pixel 3 XL, and they don't like the audio, or just any phone like this, any phone that's out there. If you don't like the audio, add an external mic. You can do a lapel mic, which is really good. That way you can hold your phone, and you get more going on, moving and everything. But you fix things to suit yourself, man. I didn't have to do this, but I like the cameras on the Pixel 3, and I wanted to give you some footage from the Pixel 3 showing you, hey, this camera is good, but we all know that the audio from the Pixel 3 is not the best. We got to get past that and wait for Google to fix it. And some of you guys are going to say, oh, you spent all that money on the phone, or people are spending money on the phones, they should fix this right away. Listen, the iPhone launched with the problem. They issued a software update. This is just how it works. If it's man-made, it's going to break, folks, and it's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be flawless. But one thing is for sure, the entire internet seems to be buzzing about the audio that comes from using the Pixel 3 when you do a recording. So my quick fix for it is an $8 fix from Amazon. You just search this brand right here. I'm not going to put the link in the description because not because I don't get any kickbacks or anything like that, but I just don't like to sometimes give out products and then if they're not to your liking, some of you guys come back and blame me. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. You just search this brand right here and you will find this on Amazon or eBay or whatever you want. Remember, put it into the pink one, not the green one, and you're going to be good to go. The quality that you get from the Pixel 3 is absolutely fantastic. Now I have the audio to back it up. This is a very small device, sturdy. And again, this is for people who, are going to be keeping this phone for a long time. And let's just say Google doesn't release a fix and you really like the phone, but you don't want to return it. Here's a quick fix, man. Get you a little $10 lapel mic, get this little $8 adapter, problem solved. Don't worry about it anymore, because sometimes companies come out with stuff and they don't fix it. They can't fix it. What if it's not a software thing? What if it's actually the device? Do you honestly believe that Google's going to tell everybody to return their device and then they're going to give you a new one? They're going to do an updated model? Nah, come on, son. They're not going to do that. If in fact that is the case, hey, this is a good resolution right here for a person that wants to do a lot of video recording and they rely heavily on their phone, because nowadays the phones are getting so good you don't need a DSLR. You don't. Anyway, it's your man Jay. This is a quick fix for the Google Pixel 3 when doing video recording with your audio. This entire video was done with the Pixel 3, for the exception of the part where I had to show you how to hook up the external mic. But other than that, this is all Google Pixel 3. What do you think about it, man? I know you like the audio better now. So, and this mic that I'm using is a Boya mic. So it's a high power mic. It's the mic that I use for my DSLR. So, this is obviously it's going to be really good. So anyway, it's your man Jay. Quick fix for you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.